Hello people, I hope all are doing well. So let's start this video. So today I'm teaching you what is the use of touch command. Touch command. So touch command basically will create a empty file. Let's say that you need to create uh, file name.txt. So it will create that file name.txt. It will just create the text file. Okay. So let's say that you need to create a bunch of files like file1 dot txt, file2 dot txt, file3 dot txt, file4 dot txt, etc, etc, like that. So instead of creating single file, you can create multiple files. See, it's already created. So the other use of touch command is that you can use t my -t. So you can use -t with touch command, saying that you need to customize the timestamp of a particular file. Like let me say that. So if a file is created, it has some timestamp, right? So if this file is created, it has some timestamp that it is created in 454 time, like for in this particular time. So if you need to change that particular time, you need to use t command. Let's using this t command, you need to specify 2023. 09 will be the month, and 01 will be the date, and 12 will be the hours, and 00 will be the minutes, and double zero will be the milliseconds. Let's say file2.txt, then the file2.txt will be having the same timestamp. Let me show file2.txt will be file2.txt have 12 hours. As I showed you before, I'm using 12 hours. This is the hours, and the 12 hours will be this. Yeah, this file has a 12 hours. No, it's not a 12 hours, it's a 12 o'clock, I guess. 12 o'clock. So the other use of touch command is that, let me say I'll echo something like hello something to file2.txt. Okay, now what I do, I'll do touch and I will do t and this modify the time of that. We actually used 12 o'clock in the last video, right? So let me use like 17 o'clock. That will be 5 o'clock, and this will be the minutes, this will be the seconds, and I'll specify the file2.txt. Let's see if it is if like it has changed to 17, like file2.txt, then it is changed to 5 o'clock, that will be 17. So the other thing that you can use with touch command will be -d. So -d is basically to change the hours. Let me say 1 hour ago, file2.txt. So we know that in the last command we used 17, that will be 5 o'clock, to set 5 o'clock to that particular file. Now I am saying that 1 hour ago. See, like let's see what will be the changes for that. So let's go the file2.txt, then it is 3 o'clock 58 minutes. So now the time will be now the time in this system is 4 o'clock 58 minutes. So 1 hour ago will be 3 o'clock 58 minutes. So I can't show you the time because it is cropped. Now the time is 4 o'clock 58 minutes, and it is showing that 3 o'clock 58 minutes. As I said, I am using 1 hour ago. You can use in English format, in the normal English format also, to change the What let me do it again with 2 hours ago. Let me do it again 2 hours ago. Let me see. Go for file.txt. That will be 2 o'clock 58 minutes. So that is up, guys. That is the use of touch command, and thank you for watching. Bye.